Well, Brodys lawn service is added, but Brody is not available today because he has school, but his brother is. We're just trying to fix some storm damage from the rain that we had. We're in Orange County, New York today, and the rain was so bad that it cut a rut about a foot wide, about 8 inches deep. And we're going to try to move this item 4 around and get it packed and back to where it needs to be. Nothing mightier than a little John Deere 420, I'll tell you that. Well, let's see what happens. Yo! So right now we're working on some video equipment because I'm only going off my phone right now. Wait! So we'll check back in shortly.